Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series BMW guys and you're trying to find your high pressure fuel pump on BMW 3-4 series with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine, this is the N20 and N26 engine guys. It should apply to all of this. We'll explain where that high pressure fuel pump is located and how to get to it. So make sure you stay with us until the end. We will explain the location and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. But if you guys want to see the whole replacement video, stay with us and we're going to explain about that a little bit more. Something else, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, will make more than 200 videos. We take them completely apart, and on that BMW we'll have close to 300-400 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools for your BMW, high pressure fuel pump, all that will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out guys. Now, this is a 3 series 328 that we'll demonstrate on, but it will work on multiple 3 and 4 series models guys, 420, 428, 320, 328i and even more models. This is guys, okay, the engine, extremely dirty here, we'll be detailing it soon. But how do you find the pump now? Okay, we're going to cover that in a second, but let me explain quick guys. If you want to see the whole replacement video from start to finish, because it's very dangerous and you can catch yourself and your car on fire, we have the whole video on our main channel, how to repair guys. As you know guys, we have 3 channels, how to repair guys, World Mechanics this channel, and the electrical videos will be on electrical car repair live. And this is a failed timing chain out of the BMW with only 87,000 miles guys. Videos on the channel on how to repair guys as well, so please check it out. Now right here guys, what we need to do, we need to go ahead and remove the engine cover in order to get to the high pressure fuel pump. So you have 3 mounts, one here, here and one right there, and then you have 2 slides on the back, 2 guides. So pull up, then all the way up, here it's still stuck, okay, and slide it out just like that. Okay, check it out, perfect. Now let me show you where, okay, those mounts are, rubber mounts, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you have the 2 spots on the back where it slides in, perfect. And right here now guys, okay, where that engine cover touches is, okay, right here, 1 spot, 2 spots, 3, you can see 3 mounts. Grab that foam piece and pull it out. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now if you look this way guys, okay, if you look this way, that's your ignition coils here, fuel line, fuel rail. If you follow that, okay, that device right here guys, this is called your high pressure fuel pump for the direct fuel injection. This is the pump right there guys, so that's how you guys get to it. Now if you want to see the whole replacement video again guys, everything will be on the channel from start to finish, so you need to check it out guys. It explains everything and how to do all that stuff. So again, you have to be extremely careful because you can catch yourself on fire. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.